How to post a job on Indeed. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. First of all, open up your web browser and navigate to the Indeed website at www.indeed.com. If you already have an Indeed employer account, you sign in using your credentials. If not, you have to sign up for a new employer account by clicking on Employers or Post Job button and following the prompts to create an account. Once logged in, locate and select Post a Job button. Now, here you can select your company name, your company's number of employees, your first and last name. It will ask you if you are a hiring manager or not. Say yes or no. Type in your phone number and give them the information that how you heard about them and tap on continue. Now in this page, you can see the company industry, job title, number of people to hire to this job and the job location type. Simply give the details and tap on continue. Now in this page, you will see the job type and schedule. Just give in the details and tap on continue. Plan that best fits for your needs and option you may include free job postings, sponsored postings or other promotional features. Once you are satisfied with your job posting and choose a plan, click on the post job or submit posting button to make it live on Indeed. After posting your job regularly, check your Indeed employer dashboard for incoming applications and manage them accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively post a job and attract qualified candidates to your job openings. So this is how you can post a job on Indeed easily. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.